Yeah, Andrew, Dr. Mark Woodburn, a family medicine doctor here at Genesis Medical in Wexford, was one of several honored throughout the state. Now, we introduced you to Dr. Woodburn a few years back when he and his staff ran outside to help people injured outside their office building. Well, today he was recognized not for that specific act, but what he does every day.
Doctor's Day Certificate of Recognition for outstanding dedication to patient care.
Oh, that's awesome.
For Dr. Mark Woodburn,
It's quite a surprise.
this certificate was not just for the name printed on the award.
Because it's not just me. It's my whole staff. It's everybody that's involved. And I couldn't do everything I do without them.
The honored doctor quickly turned the spotlight to his staff standing in front of him, a team who we have seen work together before. In August 2022, when a motorcycle and car collided in front of his office,
I hear folks yelling, "Dr. Woodburn, Dr. Woodburn." Come outside.
Dr. Woodburn told me how together they ran outside to treat the victims in the middle of busy Perry Highway for 45 minutes. It is acts like that that Dr. Woodburn says proves this honor is a team effort.
That would be a perfect example of the kind of person that we look for.
And for the Pennsylvania Medical Society, evidence of why Dr. Woodburn was chosen.
Someone who obviously is going to put patient care and the good health of not just patients, but in fact the community above anything else that they're doing.
At the time, us and our whole staff worked really hard to try to do what we could in that situation. So, but that's what we do every day. I appreciate you guys so much. Whether it's a crash on the street, whether it's a patient in need in the office, a patient that can't afford their medication, a patient that's struggling with a diagnosis, we do the same thing every day.
Dr. Woodburn was one of the doctors honored across the state. We have that full list at WTAE.com. Live in Wexford, Marcy Cipriani, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.
Good people doing good.